If you're trying to build a website with AI right now, you probably know there are a lot of options out there, and it's hard to say which ones are great and which ones are not. So I'm here to save you all the trial and error because I have 3 of the best AI website builders out there in 2026, and we're going to build a portfolio website in each one of them using the same prompt. So without any further ado, I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Okay, the website builder that we are going to check out right now is called Lovable. Just click the link below this video and you'll reach this page. Now this is the login page of Lovable. First, just log in using your email ID. Let me do that. And once you're done, you will get this dashboard area. Now this is the place we are going to paste our prompt and build our website. So to do that, I've already prepared a prompt. So let me place that and click enter. It already started working and it's building the website right now. And let's see how it goes. Okay, I think the website is ready. And we got our website. Let's click here and expand this area. And there we go. And it's pretty much good actually. Everything is there. We have the about section, the experience. I can see some new projects right here, which I haven't done. And that's where the next feature in Lovable comes in. So we have this edit feature right here. If you click on this icon right here, it will automatically go into this editing section and we can edit anything we want. For example, let's say I just want to change this particular headline. So I'll just click here, place the cursor here and turn this into something else. There we go. We made the changes to the headline. And likewise, you can change any part of the website. Let's say you want to change this particular area, the button area. You can click here, add the text you want, change the font size, the font style, and likewise, you can make changes to the entire website. And that's how easy it is to make a website using Lovable. And publishing the website is also pretty straightforward. You just click on publish right here and click on this edit icon, give your name for the website. I'll just type my name and click on the stick icon and done. You can just click on continue and click on continue again. And you can finally publish the website by clicking on publish right here. There we go. We've successfully published the website and we've got the website's link right here. You can just view the website by clicking on view app, and this is how our website will look when someone searches for it. Okay, if you want a custom domain name for your website, you have to purchase it from Lovable, and Lovable offers 3 different pricing plans. The base plan starts at $5 per month, so which is around 480 rupees per month, and you can choose the plan which suits you the best. Okay, let's go to the next tool on the list, which is Hostinger's AI website builder. To go there, just click the link below this video and you will get this page. So just click on start now and you will see all the plans offered by Hostinger. Now, if you notice, the base plan starts at 69 rupees per month, which is pretty cheap compared to what Lovable offers, which is 480 rupees per month. So let's choose a plan. And after you purchase a plan from Hostinger, you'll reach this place called a Hedge panel, or you can also call it the Hostinger dashboard. Now this is where we'll build our website. So to do that, just click on websites right here and you will get this page. Okay, now just click on add website and here you'll see an option called Hostinger website builder. Let's click on that and you'll reach this page where you can see Hostinger's own AI website builder. So I'm going to paste the same prompt here and let's see how it goes. Let's click on generate and there we go. Hostinger's building our website and let's see how it turns out. And there you go, the website is ready. So let's check it out. And if you check out the entire website right here, it looks like a very decent portfolio website. It has all the options and sections like about, the services, the portfolio, and the contact section. It's really good. But here's the best part in Hostinger. You have more freedom to edit this website compared to Lovable. Let me show you that. Just click on continue right here and you get this complete editing section for the website. First, let's go back to the home page by clicking here. And let's change this image. Let me scroll down, click on this image, and let's click on change image. Now let me upload my image by clicking here. Let me select this, click on open, click on select, and there we go, we've changed our image. And likewise, there are so many options right here. Let me show you one by one. So if you click on elements right here, you can see you can just drag and drop any element you want from this section to the website. So for example, let me scroll down here and I want a YouTube video right here. So let me just select this, drag it and drop it right here. You also have the option to add a new section. So if you click on this plus icon or add a new section icon, you can add any section you want to your website. We already have templates right here. You can just select one and you can add it right here. Let me just select this particular section and boom, it's added to the website. It's that easy for a beginner and you have a lot of editing options here. And likewise, there's an option called AI tools. If you click here, You can see a list of AI tools right here. The first one is AI image generator. If you click on that, you'll get this dialog box and you can just describe the image you want and hit generate, and it'll generate an image for you. Let me type a person working on a computer and hit generate. As you can see, we've got the image. You can save this image to the media library on your website and later on use it whenever you need it. So let's close this and let's check out the other options. So if you click on AI tools again, we have an AI writer. Again, just like the AI image generator, you can describe what you want and it will give you a written section for you. And following that, we have options like AI page generator, section generator, a blog generator, and an SEO assistant. So guys, there are so many AI options right here, and these are very useful for you to build your website in the shortest time possible. Below that, we have another option called SEO. If you click on this, Hostinger will help you handle the entire SEO for your website. So it'll suggest all the improvements that you can make for your website. You can add keywords that are relevant to your website to make sure that your website ranks higher when someone searches for it. So if you ask me, I would say Hostinger is very beginner friendly and it has a lot of options for how much you pay for it. So it is a pretty good website builder compared to the rest. And finally, when you're done editing the website, you can just hover here and change the domain for your website. You can use a custom domain or a temporary domain. And once you're done with everything, you can click on go live to see your website live on the internet. So as you can see, the website is getting published and let's see how it turns out. And there you go, guys. Our website is live. We have the domain right here and you can click on view site to view the website. And there you go, guys. This is how the website will look when someone searches for it or clicks on it. Okay, guys, let's move on to the final AI website builder on the list. And it is going to be Wix's AI website builder. To access it, I've given a link in the description again. Just click on it and it'll take you to this website. You just create an account using your email address. So let me do that and you'll get this page. Let's click on create a new site and let's click on chat with AI. Okay, guys, we've got this page. So once again, let's paste the same prompt here and let's see how it goes. Let me paste this and hit generate. So it's processing right now and let's see how it goes. It's asking me a bunch of questions. So let me just answer it one by one. Okay. Now Wix is preparing the website and let's see how it builds it. So we got Wix's dashboard right here and you can see we have a lot of options right here. This can be a little overwhelming because it has a lot of information for a beginner, but Wix has a lot of freedom when it comes to customizing. It's just like Hostinger, and let me show you how. You can just click on design site right here. Okay, we got this chatbot area right here. And as you can see, it has already added a prompt based on what description we gave to Wix. So let's leave it as it is and let's click on generate site. All right, it's generating the website finally and let's see how it turns out. There you go, guys. Wix has generated the website and it is ready. Okay, I think I'm at the bottom of the website. So let's scroll up and see how it is. All right. Again, first things first, this is not an image of me. It's just a camera right here. But still, it's not an issue. We can change the image and edit it however we want. So let's scroll down. Yes, it's a basic website. It just needs a little tuning here and there. Again, just like Hostinger, Wix has an array of editing tools which you can use to edit the website as you want. Let me show you. So here, as you can see, we have an option called add. If you click on it, it'll open this window. And here you can see a lot of options to add. You have text, image, button, graphics, box, and so on. So let me just add an element. So let's say I want to add a button. If I click on it, you can see a lot of options right here. You can choose the style you want. Let me just select one. I'll select this one. It is added right here. So I can place it wherever I want. That's the best part about Wix, guys, because you can place any element. It still works. So likewise, you can click on add and you can add an image, graphics, box, videos. You just have to click it. You just have to choose a style, drag it and drop it, and that's it. And coming to the plans, if you click on upgrade right here, you can see Wix offers 4 different pricing plans and the basic plan starts at 250 rupees per month. It's not as costly as Lovable, but it's still a little pricier compared to Hostinger. So there you have it, guys. These are the 3 best AI website builders out there in the market right now. You don't have to choose anything else. You can just pick any one of these 3 and start building your website in just minutes. So thanks for watching, guys. Do leave a comment below and let us know what you want to watch next. Until next time, thank you for watching again. Take care. Bye-bye.